If you want to download apps on Samsung Galaxy A27, then we have two methods that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use the Play Store. In order to use Play Store, you need to have a Google account on your Samsung Galaxy A27. And once you do, then over here, of course, we can try to find whichever app you want to install on your phone. You can go to the apps category over here and try to find whatever you need to install. You can also switch, for example, to categories in order to try to find something specific. And if you know exactly what you want to download, then you can use the search option. Then the search field at the top, you can tap over here. And then you can enter the name of the app that you want to download. So let's say I'm going to type X. And let's say I want to install the app. So of course, I'm just going to tap on this button over here. And then we need to wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Once it is installed, you should be able to use the open button that is going to be available here in the Play Store. Or you can go, for example, to the app drawer and find the app over there. And besides that, what you can also do is you can use the Samsung Store app, which is a pretty similar thing, although I think there are less apps available in here. At the same time, there are a couple of apps that are exclusive to the Samsung Galaxy Store, so you might want to use both. In order to use the Galaxy Store, you need to have a Samsung account on your phone, so you will have to sign in. Then we can go to apps, and over there you should be able to just simply search for anything that you want to use on your phone. Of course, we can also use the search option here in the upper right corner, and here we have the search field, so you can type the name of the app that you're looking for. And if you manage to find the app, you can use this download button here on the right side, or you can tap on the app itself and find the install button at the bottom of the screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.